Yeah, she's back. And look at the baby bump. Oh, it's so cute.
Baby, Miss Daddy.
Oh, look how beautiful this is. It's so hot.
Beautiful sunny Sunday.
This is the first time that Bria has ever been to IKEA in her whole life. As soon as we pulled up, she was like,
Are we at the airport?
she was like, are we at the airport? She's like, this is so overwhelming, I'm stressed. And I was like, you haven't even walked in yet. She's like, what's going on? Why does it feel like an airport? You know when you go into IKEA and you're kind of like, what the hell? You're overwhelmed. So she's in for a treat.
It's just because I'm going to want everything.
Right there.
All right, we're doing it. We're picking up our couch that we got. We're so excited. For the next one, 509467.
What do you think of IKEA so far?
It's great.
You like it? Feels like an airport still. Look, we're waiting for our airplane.
All right, here he is with our nice, beautiful couch that we have to put together. He's gonna try to get it in the Tahoe. Oh, my honey bear. Reminds me of when he helped me move for the first time.
Oh, remember that? That was when we were
He
friends.
was such a hard worker. He's always a hard worker. He's still such a hard worker. Let's see how this is gonna come in now.
Thanks, sweetheart.
I love you. He did it nice and seamlessly. Did it so fast too, in like 3 minutes. It was like boom, boom, boom. Nice job, honey bear. He's so good.
New appliances. Well, we just got the keys. We just started moving in a few items. Bria and I are gonna bless the home before we start unpacking everything.
I'll do it one time, and you'll do it the next time.
Okay.
But no. Electronics into our space.
Welcome to the garage. Our beautiful patio. Hi, sweetie. I'm over here at the 4th of July parade in Santa Clarita, Newhall. I'm playing the dog today for the parade.
Mail it to a random